Hey everybody, we're going to be doing another tour of a home today. This one is the Aimon by Deer Valley. We've toured it before, but there's a few new things in it, and you might have seen some of them in the shorts, but it's an absolutely gorgeous home. One of the best rustic designs you ever see. You got some great wood accents on the front here. I love the wagon wheel treatment, the shutters, the framing around the door. Of course, this one is a wind zone 3, as you can see from those tabs. We absolutely love this home. Currently, I think we have the one on location is for sale for $220. So kind of give you an idea of pricing. Can be a little more depending on options and even a little bit less. Let's go check it out. When you first walk in, you walk into a large living room. You see the wood burning fireplace there. Of course, you can do shiplap accents on the wall. You can do an electric fireplace. You can do a propane insert or natural gas insert. Love these windows. You can option in black windows if you like as well. Large open space, no carpet in here. And of course, you gotta love the hashtag beams. Of course, right over here, that's one of the big things people love, is this beautiful porch. And another great thing about this porch, here, let's zoom out so you can see a little bit better. You got the double sliding glass door. Whoops, somebody locked it on me. It opens up to about 48 inches. So if you're moving furniture in your house, makes it a lot easier. You got space for furniture over here on the side. Got your outlet right there. Lots of windows, let natural light into your dining room in there. And then of course you got the fireplace on the outside and entrance into your primary suite. It's already got cable run right here and electric power, so if you wanted to put a TV out here, you could. And it's wire embraced right there for a ceiling fan. We absolutely love this porch. Now this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I believe it's right at 1,900 square feet. Let me get this door closed. It is cold outside today and I hate the cold. I love this floor. This is a newer floor. It's got a really good rustic look. It's a new countertop. I don't know the name of it, but it looks really good too. It looks like a real wood, but it is Formica. Of course, you can do quartz in here if you choose. See the big cabinets in the kitchen. You got a little pantry there across the way. I love the look on this door. Doesn't have that rough look. It's more of a finished look, stained. Looks really good, and it matches really well with these cabinets. Of course, Deer Valley does use the solid wood cabinets, and even your shelving here is plywood that has been covered, so that's really nice too as well. Soft close doors and drawers. This has the black stainless appliances. You see your washer there, smooth top stove with the fireplace and the side-by-side refrigerator. And they got this darker, like a gunmetal gray, maybe a black stainless. It looks really good on that sink. It is the one basin, and then they got the black metal faucet as well. And I love a window right by the sink that opens. That's always nice. Plus we love the natural light. Let's go check out these guest bedrooms here. Coming in, you see a couple of the 5-panel doors there that need to be hung. Nice closet. And I don't know if y'all have noticed, but Deer Valley's been doing this smooth painted ceiling. That's something only a few builders do because it takes a lot of craftsmanship to knock that out. Of course, you can see how wide your window sill here is. That's a 2x6 outer wall. And y'all know that Deer Valley builds heavy. They do double studs and double headers around all of their windows and doors. They use 2x4s throughout at 16-inch centers, 2x8 floor joists. They're just a wonderful builder. Heavy built is definitely a key. I like the big drawers you have in here in this bathroom. They use a different countertop, but it's got the square porcelain sink, built-in mirror, some beautiful light fixtures, of course some storage here above your toilet, which is elongated, and the large Vanderbilt tub shower combo. And you gotta love that transom window too. And I really like this shower head. I've not really ever looked at it, but you got the handheld already on the rainmaker there. That's really nice. And I'm liking the black fixtures. It looks really good. Bedroom 3 here, very similar size as the other one. Same with the closet. You can see here that we've stored the smokestacks for the fireplace in there. So we got some great sized bedrooms. Of course, you might see that carpet in there. A lot of people are opting not to do carpet, and that's okay. We can do no carpet in the home. And even with this particular tile, you won't have a little cover at the marriage line, no transition bar, so that's always really great as well. Coming into your utility room, got your mop sink, side exit, washer and dryer. They got the whole home cutoff. Little shelf there. You can do cabinets above it as well. Right, here's your water heater. Deer Valley also offers the on-demand water heater, so you can option that in. Or you could even do 2 water heaters if you're really worried about making sure you have hot water. Large breaker box lets you add a shop, add a carport, hot tub, whatever you want to add. You got space in the breakers for the home. That's always nice as well. Y'all notice the bullnose edging as well. Something that's great finishes that Deer Valley does. And of course, we put those vents in the ceiling there for you, and the insulation is upgraded so that you don't have a high light bill. And on top of all that, they have this radiant deck barrier for the roof, which makes your attic space 20 to 30% cooler. So that helps keep your whole home cooler as a whole. Now this bedroom is huge. That is a large king size bed. You can see that there's easily space on either side of it for nightstands. You got room for a dresser there, or even a dresser here. And of course, with Deer Valley, because they allow that customization, we could easily move the windows if you wanted to put the bed on a different wall, or we could even do windows on this wall if you wanted. And coming in, a lot of times on the Aimon master suite, you have 2 closets. We've changed the bathroom up to be a little bit more of what we like to do sometimes. You can still go back to that original plan, but you walk in and you got your huge tub framed on the wall there. Absolutely massive, large vanity, a lot of countertop space, cabinet space, and big drawers for storage, plus some extra storage right here for towels and other sundries. You got a new tile here in the ceramic shower. This is a 6-foot ceramic shower, and it's got that seating there, which is always nice. I love it when the shower handle is right here so I can turn it on and not have to get wet. But we also added that extra handheld right there for you as well. This house is a great layout. And it's gonna be a little dark in here. Maybe the phone will adjust. You can see the beautiful shelving in here in your master bedroom closet, which goes both sides. So plenty of storage there. And then here's your private commode. Now, some of my customers have been a little claustrophobic and don't like the private commodes. That's perfectly fine. We don't have to have a door there. Guys, if you like this tour, make sure you hit that like button. If you'd like to see more home tours, follow the channel. And of course, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.